In this video, I will show you how to install Ableton 11 on Windows 11. First, open Ableton official website. Now press the login or register button. Enter your email and password which you have used to register on Ableton site. Now press the Account tab. Press on the Download button. Navigate to the folder you have downloaded the zip file and extract all the files. Open the Ableton Live 11 Suite installer and follow me. You're done for now. Just open the Ableton 11 application to start with the activation process.